Hi everyone, this is Jewel Soon Cheng, and welcome to my final project presentation. I created a video tutorial on using the website Indeed.com. My target audience is intended for job seekers, though the information can also benefit employers. For example, companies may want to adjust certain keywords listed on their job postings to attract or hire potential candidates. Additionally, the information can inform the general public in learning how to use advanced search techniques to improve results. The purpose of this tutorial is to enhance job seekers' knowledge of what Indeed.com offers and provide a better understanding of the various methods of searching within this valuable resource. To demonstrate search techniques learned in Info 244, I compared basic and advanced search results, illustrated how to use exact phrase search and cite operators, and explained how to broaden and narrow a search with Boolean operators. The objective is to raise awareness of this resource and help others learn effective search techniques that can save time and retrieve more relevant results. The goal is to equip viewers with the knowledge of new search techniques that can be applied to improve future searches. Job seekers can use these strategies to retrieve more relevant results in their job search process. For the purposes of this tutorial, I assume the role of a public librarian, and the video tutorial is intended to be published on the public library's website and the city's website as a resource for job seekers. Additionally, this tutorial can be used in career fairs or workshops hosted by the public library, for example, to show users how to apply advanced search strategies when looking for jobs. Prior to publishing the tutorial, I would conduct a testing stage for a period of 2 to 4 weeks, adjusted based on the level of engagement and feedback received. I plan to conduct usability tests at the library, offering the incentive of complimentary snacks and coffee or tea, and also a raffle to win a gift card or similar reward for participants. For example, I would promote the opportunity to participate in the usability tests by creating flyers and posting announcements on the library's website and bulletins, and ask the reference and circulation staff to share with patrons. From there, I would create a schedule where I can conduct usability tests at the library for a period of 15 to 20 minutes for individual participants and 30 minutes for small groups. When conducting the usability tests, I would first observe the way that participants would interact with the website Indeed.com prior to watching my tutorial. I would hand them 2 to 3 scenarios to conduct general searches on the site. Next, I would have the participants watch the tutorial and then go back on the site and observe if and how the tutorial influenced their subsequent searches. From my analysis and feedback gathered via questionnaire, I would make changes to my tutorial based on what participants found most helpful or areas that could be developed or clarified. I would also use my observations to determine which aspects of the site users are drawn to, what kind of information or data they are looking for, and how viewing the tutorial affected or influenced their search. I would ideally want to deliver this as part of a career series at the library. Finally, I just wanted to share some lessons learned because the process of working on this final project did not go as smoothly as I expected. My initial proposal was to create a video tutorial showing how to search the website ewg.org, which is the Environmental Working Group's website. However, as I did more research, I became concerned regarding what I discovered about EWG's database. I learned that several claims by EWG are not backed by science, and the database's rankings are flawed and inconsistent. Due to this understanding, I was uncomfortable with moving forward using ewg.org as my choice because my initial purpose was to help others learn and make informed decisions. I didn't want to lead others astray with my tutorial, and although I know this project is mainly to showcase the search techniques learned from our course, I didn't want to sacrifice the integrity of the search process by continuing with a flawed database. Next, I decided to change my topic to governmentjobs.com. However, after I drafted my script and began running my sample searches, I found out governmentjobs.com does not support Boolean operators or advanced search techniques except for wildcard. For example, I noticed that the site separates each word with or by default and interprets the connectors and, or, and not as search terms. Due to this, I shifted gears yet again. I wanted to stick with a job site for my tutorial, but instead of governmentjobs.com, I changed it to indeed.com, which I made sure supported advanced search options. I made several attempts to create a tutorial comparing the two job sites, but after several drafts and recordings, I was unable to edit down the content to meet the project requirements. Thus, I accepted these challenges as valuable lessons, reminding me to recall our course text, Librarian's Guide to Online Searching, especially where the author Suzanne Bell emphasizes the teaching principles of less is more by not trying to do too much and the right to be wrong because making mistakes is part of being human. I was comforted by Bell's statement, ever seeking and perhaps sometimes finding. What a perfect expression for librarianship. This project has truly reinforced the dynamic aspects of the online search process and taught me to be observant, flexible, and persistent. Thank you for taking the time to listen and watch my presentation.